respond to 102 Sunset Crescent for a CO alarm going off. Everyone will be outside a building. Again, that's 102 Sunset Crescent. Time of first page is 1:51. Attention, Wingham Fire. Please respond to 102 Sunset Crescent for a CO alarm going off. Everyone will be waiting outside. Again, that is 102 Sunset Crescent. Cross streets are Shutter Street. Time of second page is 1:52.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham station.
Roger that. Car 2, page acknowledged for Wingham Station, 152.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, tank 9.
Go ahead.
Tank 9's responding to 102 Sunset Crescent. Delta plus 5 belted.
Roger, Tank 9 responding with Delta and 5 belted. It is 1:58:21.
Fire dispatch, show tank 9 arriving on scene.
Roger that, Tank 9 arriving on scene, 2 o'clock.
Fire dispatch, Delta B command, command will be mobile.
Roger, Delta and command and mobile, it is 2 o'clock.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show we have 1 team entering the structure for an air quality check and 360 in progress.
Roger, 1 firefighter entering the building for air quality check, 360 in progress. It is 2:05:08.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
360 complete. All vents are clear. Nothing showing.
Roger, 360 complete. All vents clear. Nothing showing. It is 2:09:05.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show air quality checks throughout the structure complete. 0 readings. Firefighters have found 1 out-of-date CO alarm with battery not functional, which is why it was going off.
Roger, air quality check complete. No readings. 0 readings. 1 out-of-date CO alarm found. It's 2:12:59.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show entry crew re-entering the structure to conduct smoke alarm check and replace the out-of-date alarm.
Roger. Entry team re-entering building to check smoke alarm and replace outdated alarm. It is 2:17:09.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show smoke alarm check complete. 2 alarms replaced. Scene is being turned over to the homeowner. Command's terminated. All units returning to Wingham Station.
Copy, smoke alarms checked complete. Alarms replaced. Property returned to homeowner. All trucks returning at 2:32:17.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
9, back in hall, back in service. Could you clear off this call first, please?
Roger, Tank 9, back at hall, back in service at 236.03. Have a good night.